Hold on a second, sweetheart.
Mom.
Yes, understood. Okay, good. I'll talk to you. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, vegetable. Hey, my favorite niece. You remember Terry, right?
Did you all forget that my recital is tonight?
Honey, can we reschedule, please? But there's no way that we can take care of that tonight. We can't do that. It just won't work. Can we reschedule, please?
Mom, we already invited 75 people. How can we reschedule?
Wait a second. My wife called the cleaning company to come clean this fall. Let me get her on the phone to see if I can get this number.
Please.
Yes.
Hey, honey, what was the name of that cleaning company you called to clean the house this fall? Yeah, that's them. Endless Cleaning and Restoration. Thanks, honey. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
We have to call Endless Cleaning and Restoration right now.
Yes, Don Waller, I need you. Yes, I need you tonight. Really? You're on your way. Great. My address is 2238 Sycamore Avenue. All right, see you soon.
Hey. Hi, I'm Dawn with Endless Cleaning Restoration. I'm the one you spoke with on the phone.
Thank you so much for coming. Hurry up, come on in.
Residential and commercial properties, Endless Cleaning and Restoration is here for you. Whether it's COVID-19 disinfectant cleaning, mopping, dusting, carpet shampoo, hardwood floor cleaning, or even windows cleaning. They will even clean your dirty dishes and place them in the right places.
Hey, Mom, the Jacksons are here for my recital.
Hi! Thank you for coming. Come on in.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Wow.
I'm exceptionally clean, if I must say.
Thanks to Endless Cleaning and Restoration. You know, they really came through in the clutch.
Yes, they did. To get them.
Let me get you their number. Come
Yes, ma'am.
There is no job too big for Endless Cleaning and Restoration, servicing the Ohio and the Washington metropolitan area. Please visit endlesscleaningandrestoration.com for more info.